Hello Bay and Bay, I am Joshua, the Denton Terminal Manager, and today I want to talk about road construction. Driving in road construction is something that we have to deal with every year, specifically in the springtime after the snowfall, especially up north after all the plowmen have destroyed the roads clearing snow. Basically, what we're looking for here is changing traffic patterns, changing speed limits from what you're used to, and then also just terrible road conditions. So how do we combat these? Well, we trip plan, right? The best way to trip plan and look for road construction along our routes is to use technology. There's websites that you can Google, and you can also use Google Maps, and it'll typically tell you if there's road construction on the interstate or the state road that you're working on, okay? Another way is to slow down. I know we always say slow down, slow down. We sound like a broken record. There's a reason for that, because that's what you should do, all right? It is the most effective way to take new information and be able to process it when you're out there driving, is to go a little bit slower. Take your time, navigate the construction changes, and then pay attention to your road signs. Your road signs will tell you exactly what's going on ahead of you. There's a reason why typically your road signs are colored orange. It's because they're important. So take the time to read them and to navigate, be safe, and always increase your following distance even further than 7 or 8 seconds while you're in construction zones, because guess who's not paying attention to the road signs? Other drivers. And even though it's their responsibility, we have to take care of them by being the professional. So do your due diligence and make it home safely. Thank you for your time.